Silent tools kick ass, and I don't think you'll find anyone in manufacturing that doesn't agree with that statement. However, Sandvik's actually leveled them up a notch, and I don't know if you're aware, and I want to share a little bit of what it looks to have a Silent Tool Plus connected tool running in your machine. Let's check it out.
Welcome to a demonstration of Silent Tools Plus machine integrated functionality. We will demonstrate setting and reacting on load limits using the cordless connected machine interface. The system can automatically connect to the tool when it is selected for use.
Wireless while Bluetooth connections to your tools.
With machine integrated, you have the possibility to specify load, vibration, and temperature limits. The limits can be set and updated anytime, either manually or pre-programmed in the NC code. This gives you the possibility to easily set specific limits for different components and stages in the machining process. For this demonstration, the load is set from the NC code. The limit on the load tile is updated, and the machine event log records a new entry to reflect the event. The Silent Tools Plus software will actively monitor the load while machining.
Running at 10%.
If the load exceeds the specified limit,
let's see what happens.
It immediately sends a load outside limit message to the machine.
15.
The corresponding reaction by the machine is fully customizable. Here, it's programmed to stop the process.
Safe retraction, inspect it.
In this last part
no more melting tools on the inside of a board.
The machine response is customized to just retract a short distance and stop the process.
Anyone here ever melted off the end of a D-Vibe bar? Such exciting advancements are coming to manufacturing. I started in my high school, doing IT, hardware, software, troubleshooting, and then the market was saturated. I got teleported over to machining because I loved working with computers, and CNC was a natural fit. And now, as more connected tools and everything else starts coming to the manufacturing world, that inner geek inside me is super excited. Thanks for checking this out with me tonight. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.